Good morning and happy Monday, safe venting enthusiasts. If my underarms are any indication, it is still the sweltering August humidity in the outdoors that I try to avoid, but fall approaches and so too does the heating season. Do yourself a favor and plan ahead when it comes to installing a tankless or a boiler, a combi. Make sure you're thinking about the vent system ahead of time so it's not a fire drill looking for an elbow or a connector ring, adapter, termination, whatever. Save yourself a headache. Keep your reps happy, keep your suppliers happy, keep us manufacturers happy. Let us do the design layout work for you. We'll give you a full bill of materials, etc., etc. We just want to make sure you have all the parts you need and you're not scrambling at the job site. So plan ahead because heating season approaches.